Hi there, Lucas from UQ Army here. In this video we'll go over a type of QR code that is fluent in all languages, the multi-country links QR code. If your company works on a global scale, you most likely have a multi-language website to facilitate the reading in different languages. And this is where a multi-country links QR code comes into play. It is yet another smart type of QR code that recognizes the country of origin and redirects to the appropriate content. For example, if you scan the QR code in the United States, you will access the English version of the website. If you are in Spain, the Spanish version would show, so on and so forth. All you have to do is select the countries where your content is available and insert the corresponding URLs. Lastly, if people from a country that is not listed scan the QR code, they will be redirected to a landing page that shows all the available links. Multi-country links QR codes are crucial nowadays because companies are no longer limited to the countries where they were founded. They can connect with different audiences around the world with one simple scan. If you want to create a multi-country links QR code, all you need to do is register to UQ Army, click Create QR, and select the type. It's as simple as that. Well, that's it for now. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, please give it a like, share it with your colleagues, leave us your comments or questions, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about QR codes. See you later and take care.